Alright, I'm back with another unbiased product review. I ain't done this in a long time. I don't know why. Every time I get stuff, I could be doing these reviews, but I always forget. And I'm not consistent with my videos anyway, so I'm gonna try to be this time. So when I get random products that I like or that I find cool stuff, I'm gonna be doing these kind of, just random product unbiased reviews, and then basically unboxing at the same time, so you guys can see what comes with it. This is MagBak Elite Pro iPhone 16 Pro Max case. So yeah, let's open this up. I want y'all to see my address. Let me open it this way. Basically, this case is like a magnetic case where you can like mount everywhere. And I do gym content, and so it's perfect for the gym because everything's metal in the gym. You can just put it on there. I also put a clip of like me using the case so that way you guys can see it in live action. Oh yeah, I also got these little attachments. So like you can customize with the new case. The older case is just a magnet. Like you can just put the magnet onto stuff, right? But this one has like attachments. It has like a ring. I'll show you guys all that here in a little bit. This is like a little lanyard for it so you don't drop it. And at work, I'm always dropping my phone, so that'll be good for me. Oh, I want you to see my address. Let's take this out. Yeah, this is the case. I might keep that because, you know what I'm saying, it's a nice case. So if I ever do sell this case, I can put it in this box. So I guess you just open this. And hold on. Oh, there we go. Just slide this little piece off. That's pretty dope. This is real dope. It's like a protective case for your case. Okay, just pops off, I think. Oh yeah, so you just pop out the sides like that, like so. Ooh, look at that, real nice, real secure. Comes in this real nice case. Got you these little magnet things. This is an extra magnet that you mount. If I can get this bitch out. Ah, okay, that's a little hard to get out. But anyways, it's like a little magnet. It has like some 3M on the back, some sticky shit. So if you want to put this like certain spots where you're always gonna, like say in your car, right? You want to put this in a certain spot in your car where you're gonna be mounting your phone all the time. This is perfect for that. And then they also got attachments like a magnetic charging case where you can put the charger on this and charge your phone and put the phone on the magnet. It's pretty dope. I'll show you that too. But that's that. Comes with one of them. You got a little alcohol pad, you know what I'm saying, so you can, I think it comes with a glass too, a protective glass. Yeah, there's a protective glass, perfect, because I got this protective glass on it. I barely got this phone like a week ago, and this like glass is already cracked. It's real cheap, but it came with the plan, so we got the like free glass every time you break it, but that shit's cheap anyway. This one looks pretty thick. So hopefully that should work. Got more alcohol. Oh wait, it's the same alcohol pads. I'm tripping. This is like shows you all the stuff, what it does. I got some finger loop, pinky rest. I also got like a little kickstand on there. And then these are all the color. I got red and black. That way you can change out the buttons and the bezels and all that. That's pretty cool. These are all the attachments, or the bezels. You feel me? And here's the case itself. And they said they can, oh shit, I'm already breaking shit. I do not know what this is, but it's like a little clip, I guess. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But this is the case. And you got these magnets, and supposedly these magnets pop out. We'll test that too. But these magnets actually pop out and grip onto the metal. The other case was just flush, and sometimes, oh, that's the difference. So I'll show you guys the old case, the one that I had, but this kind of popped out with the, actually, it's still gonna pop out. I'm tripping. So what I'm talking about is this popped out, and the magnets were just flat. And so like we'll put it on the metal thing, but you had to move it kind of sideways because this would be like kind of pushing out on it, and it wouldn't be like super strong on the magnets. But these magnets pop out and grip onto whatever you're trying to grip. So kind of keeps it from rubbing on the camera, and it won't fall off, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes it fell off. And then this is the finger loop, which I don't know how you keep it in there. Oh, I see. So you got this little thing right here, and it clips onto it, and then I guess you just pop it in. Let me go ahead and change that. These are the side buttons and everything, which got red because I didn't really like all the other ones. So let's move this. You guys see that? You got all these little bitty buttons and shit. It's pretty cool. The way they design this stuff is pretty cool. Like, I've never seen a case like this, but you can take off this little charger pinky rest thingy. And you got the red one right here. I'm gonna put all the black stuff back in here. So you just pop it in, and now it's red. That's pretty cool. I like that because I work in a sand mine, and sand gets in my charger hole a lot, and then I gotta dig it out eventually, and dust from your pocket gets in there, so that's cool. And I like that it acts as a pinky rest. So I'm gonna probably speed this part up so I can get all these attachments on. It's gonna take a while. I don't want you guys to sit through that, so speeding the clip up right now. Alright, so I finally got all the little attachments and all the bezels and everything on. And so this is what it looks like now. Pretty fire. It's real fidgety to get all this stuff in, but I mean, it's customizable, bro. I ain't never seen a case like that. And then yeah, you just pop it on. And shit. You can put the lanyard on here, but you get the idea. You know what I'm saying? This is the lanyard. I'll open up the lanyard. And you know, this don't come with it. I feel like these are all add-ons. So if you want to add all this stuff, you can. If not, you pretty much just get the case, whatever color you get, like white. I think it's just white and black. But you guys go check if you want. So this lanyard will just hook right here, and I got a lanyard on my phone. And now all I gotta do is put the screen protector on. And yeah, so I'm not gonna do all that though. That's, you know, that's pretty self-explanatory. And I was over here fidgeting with all these little things, trying to get them in, and I just realized that they give you a tool. So I just wasted some time. But anyways, yeah, they give you a little tool to pop all these little, like, fidgety little things in there that's hard to get in. But once the case is on the phone though, everything's pretty secure. Oh yeah, so let me show you that. So this is the finger loop right here. You know what I'm saying? You just slide your finger in, and you know what I'm saying, do what you do with the phone, you know. Got a little pinky rest. That feels pretty good, so I'm gonna be using that a lot. Oh yeah, and it also got a little kickstand. I didn't even forgot about that. So we got a little kickstand right here. Should pop right back in. Anyways, there's a little stand right here, which is pretty cool. So you want to put your phone like this. You want to put it like that, which is perfect because I always put it against something when I'm watching videos. I like that a lot. So let's go test this out now. All right, so this is the little, I don't know if you guys can see, it's pretty dark in here. My Tundra's lights are like super dim. I think, let me see, maybe I can pull this down and get extra light. I didn't really do nothing, but hopefully you guys can see. On my end, it looks super dark, but this is the charger I was talking about. It's just a magnetic charger. Has like a little fan. They make this as well, MagBak, and it has a fan so that way it stays cool. And then this is that little magnet piece that I was saying, if you want a permanent spot, like straight in your car or anywhere, for your case. I can put my case literally on that. Let me show you guys that real quick. So say if I wanted to just put my phone right here, boom, I could do that. Now I got the side too, boom, you can put it like that. And if you get the charger, which I don't have it plugged in right now, but literally the charger has a magnet, boom, it goes to the magnet, and then now you can charge your phone on the magnet. It's pretty crazy, and these magnets are way stronger than the other case I had. Oh yeah, look, I do have the other case in here, so I can show you guys what that case looks like. So this is the old case for the older phones, and you can just see it's just flat, no attachments, no nothing. It was a pretty good case. It's probably the best case I've ever had too. You know what I'm saying? This started peeling though. You see the magnets in the back right here. But this little sticky thing started peeling. I don't know how. I guess where I work, the sand probably got back there and it probably just got loose. But this was also MagSafe, so you can put it on there as well for older phones. So if you want to get one, you can. You just don't have all the features that this one does. Has the kickstand, the finger loop, the pinky rest, and it covers your charger hole. And then you get the lanyard if you want to add that. I'm still gonna go get one more clip testing out the magnets, like, you know, on a flat surface to see if it pops out and gets flush with the camera bezel. But yeah, let's go check that out, and then we'll end the video off after that. All right, so here's the case in action. You know what I'm saying? If you can see that the magnets pull, I don't know if you can even see it, but the magnet pulls to it, and then it stays flat with the case. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, overall 10 out of 10 case, especially if you're in the gym. You know what I'm saying? Put it anywhere. I don't know what's metal, what's not. If you want to record, that's not metal. you get the idea. So 10 out of 10. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing more of these product reviews. Unbiased, just random shit that I think's cool and I want to buy for myself. So subscribe. I got some other videos and some other content coming out. And yeah, see y'all in the next video.